Well, today, even though this is a Christmas tree, I'm moving it for Zinja and Zulu's birthday, which is December 9th. Yay! Let's celebrate. Well, it's Zulu and Zinja's birthday and we need some candles for some ice cream. So the celebrations continue. So let's get some candles out here. Need a pink one. Pink one for Zulu. And let's see what Zinja might get. I want a green one for him. Let's get a green one for him. Okay, let's get some ice cream. Get some ice cream out of the fridge. And where is it? Aha! It's all the way back there. And it's Kissable Mint. So let's get some ice cream for the birthday. And here they come. You guys are ready for some ice cream for your birthday? Huh? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. You guys ready? You guys are so cute. You're smelling it, huh? I haven't even opened it yet. Okay, hold on. I gotta get it. And here it is, Dogsters. Here's their birthday ice cream. And here they are, ready to have some birthday ice cream. And this is gonna be a little challenging, so I'm gonna need to just light it and sing happy birthday with them kind of in the background here. So let's see if I can do that. Oh, you know what? I need one that works. Okay, Zinja, you gotta show up. Zinj. Great. And I would have one that doesn't work. Okay, let's try this again. Here we go. Zinja, come. Come here, Zinj. Zinja. Where are you? Let me see you. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zulu and Zinja. Happy birthday to you. How old are you guys? 7. And it's your birthday. Mama will blow them out for you, okay? All right. Nice. Let's go get some ice cream. All right, Zulu. You ready for your ice cream, Zulu? Oh, you're ready for yours. Yeah, I gotta get you yours, little boy. Here's Zulu's. And that's Zulu's birthday ice cream. And you want yours, Zinja? Okay, and usually Mama holds it, but I'm gonna have you you're growing up, so let's see how you can do being 7 now and Mama not holding it. Okay, think you got this. I think you got this, little boy. You growing up. If your sister can do it, you can do it. You just tend to be more of a chomper. Wanting to chomp that ice cream. Take big bites. He's got definitely a good strategy. But he's enjoying it. Aw, happy birthday, Zinja. Zinja Ray. And then let's check out the birthday girl. And I would have put on her outfit, but maybe next year. She does have a birthday hat, yeah. And she's got a birthday outfit. I might put you in it, Zulu. Look at that tongue. You just enjoying it. Say happy birthday to me. You're such a big girl. Growing up so fast. 7. All right. There's my little boy.